Ideas are born here. Ideas made in metal. Simply put, Maysteel Industries takes these ideas and creates a sheet metal solution. What happens inside is more than an enclosure.
This is a partnership where we're able to leverage our engineering expertise to solve problems for our customers.
People look at a box and think, oh, that's just a box, but I see it as all the engineering work, all of the cost savings that we put into it.
Maysteel specializes in sheet metal fabrication solutions for a variety of industries, including outdoor utility, self-service and kiosk, alternative energy, and industrial drives and automation. From the design engineering team tour welders to our environmentally conscious powder coat painters, a culture has been created that seeks open dialogue, always trying to get the best answer. The team at Maysteel is invested in producing and delivering a high-quality solution.
I think what makes Maysteel different is really the chance and the time that we take to sit down with our customers to fully understand what it is they're trying to accomplish. How are they going to market? What does the product need to do? Because that's really the basis as to how we proceed with manufacturing.
Safety, quality, and cost in that order. If you can make something really safe and be in good quality, the cost will come into shape.
What stands out and separates Maysteel from our competitors is our factory within a factory, the Innovation Center.
All of the equipment in the Innovation Center is identical to the production equipment in the plant. It is solely dedicated for design and development. It's not in any plant capacity plans. The advantage of that is when the design and development process is complete and we're ready to go into production, all tooling, fixtures, programs are dialed in and proved out, and we're ready to hit the ground running, safely producing a quality part that meets our customer expectation from the first piece that we run.
We're able to design and develop fixtures, tooling on similar equipment that we use in production without interrupting production. And that is a differentiator versus our competitors.
Because we are trying to provide solutions for our customers, we take great care keeping them involved through the whole process. With projects that take a few weeks to projects that take a few months, constant communication is key.
We'll travel down to their site or their facility. We'll look at the program, and then we will sit down with them on very regular scheduled intervals to talk with them about the process of the project. Where are we at in the design phase? We can help them out with all of those. We can work with them on UL requirements, we can work with them on NEMA requirements, and help walk them through the process.
We're always looking for a way to say yes to the customer, not to identify the reasons why we can't.
Our customers are looking to partner with people that understand that things change. Our team is ready to adapt to those changes, whether it's demand, design, or process.
You need a custom metal solution. You need a partner who's able to produce. Resilient, efficient, adaptive. This is Maysteel. Ideas made in metal.